Gia just got her first Sophie, the giraffe, which is a chew toy made in the French Alps. And very popular with kids, obviously. And Dudley's trying to get a hold of it. Dudley. This is so cute. It's a chew toy. She can't get it in her mouth fast enough. So weird. Dudley, no! My two children fighting over the toy.